Welcome to how to track location with Google account. So in this video we are going to show you how to track location with Google account. So before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do, you will just simply open up Google, then you will tap on your profile picture, then tap on manage your Google account, and then just wait. After this you will see couple of options. Tap on security, and then you will see couple of more options. So scroll down until you see this option where it says find a lost device. So tap on it, find a lost device, and now it will basically ask you to sign into your Gmail account. So I have already signed in with my Gmail account. So we can basically now it's saying that it says select a phone or tablet. So I will select this one, okay, and I think that it should open now Google Maps. So visit iCloud for help in finding your lost, okay. So to basically track the iPhone, you have to visit iCloud, but if you have an Android phone, it will open up Google Maps for you, and you can easily find and track your phone's location. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next